Active day in the Weather Center.
Yeah, big day, huh?
A lot of rain fell in a very short period of time. We had the flash flood watches and warnings. A few of them still remain, but some glimmers of sunshine outside.
Right.
So it's
Like
not so bad out there.
Oh, look
as
at that.
Exactly. Look
Hey,
over
stranger.
Roslyn. A little bit of sun outside. The clouds quickly moving away, and that means we'll see a little bit of clearing, especially out to the west as we move through the overnight hours, and our temperatures eventually fall into the 60s to lower 70s. 73 this hour at Reagan National Airport. Winds are out of the east at 9 miles per hour. Our high earlier in the day, 84 degrees, 1 degree below average for this time of year. 97 long-standing record high set back in 1948. WeatherBug Network, almost a half inch of rain at WTOP radio, upper northwest D.C. Temperature now stands at 70 degrees. Not a pretty day at Rehoboth Beach. Over a half inch of rain, 73 out there right now, and over 2¼ inches for Shadyside. Annapolis saw over 3 inches of rain earlier today. Temperatures outside, considering we've had the cloud cover and the rain, 72 in Frederick. Manassas now 75. Head down to southern Maryland. Lexington Park at 72 degrees. This is where we have the last of the remaining heavy showers now moving off toward the north and east across the bay. Heavy rain at Lusby and Long Beach. Right now, Huntingtown finally beginning to clear out. They had heavy rain earlier in the day, almost 3 inches over there. 70 degrees, as mentioned, at WTOP radio. This is the latest that we have in terms of our flash flood warnings and watches. Area shaded in green, flash flood watch until 10 o'clock tonight. Head down to southern Calvert County. You have a flash flood warning until 9:15 this evening. Satellite and radar, area of low pressure moves off toward the north and east. This is that stubborn system that started to develop off the coast of North Carolina yesterday, now moves away from our area. Plenty of sunshine out to the west. West Virginia, Elkins, West Virginia, looking at sunshine right now. Nothing like that as you head toward the south. This is where Isaac continues to churn and churn. The development has it tracking toward the north and northwest at around 15 miles per hour with winds that are beginning to intensify. Latest models have it moving across New Orleans as we move into Tuesday afternoon into Wednesday, possibly becoming a Category 2 hurricane with winds as high as 100 miles per hour. A lot of warmth across the Gulf of Mexico, the Gulf waters. A lot can change between now and then. Of course, we'll keep you updated here on ABC7 and on WJLA.com. Take a look at our futurecast. Next 48 hours will show clouds beginning to erode as we move through the day tomorrow. Temperatures well into the 80s, around 87 degrees at Reagan National. A little bit cooler off to the north and west of us, but a cold front sweeps on by late tomorrow night into early Tuesday. Behind the frontal system, temperatures not tremendously cooler, actually a little bit warmer. 91 degrees expected for a daytime high on Tuesday, followed by slightly cooler air Wednesday and Thursday, and by the end of the week could be talking about the remnants of Isaac. Showers and storms diminish during the evening and overnight hours. Temperatures fall to around 65 to 72 degrees. Daytime highs tomorrow, mid to upper 80s. A few afternoon showers will be possible as the frontal system moves in from the north and west. Here's the extended outlook showing that brief cool down by Wednesday and Thursday, and have just a 20% chance for showers Friday and Saturday. This is all from the remnants of Isaac, should they make it our way. Of course, as mentioned, a lot can change. We're still trying to pinpoint the exact location where it will make landfall. Next update for the tropical storm will be at 11 o'clock, and these updates grow more and more important as we move through the next 24 hours. But Tampa, with the RNC, right now they could be looking at a storm surge about 3 to 5 feet, wind gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour. Not ideal, but not as bad as it could have been.
Absolutely. And the weather that we had in our area today, though, absolutely crazy. I can't get enough of watching that video of the water spout.
And, you know, they issued a tornado warning on this. This came out earlier around 1:30 this afternoon. And, you know, water spout, no damage reported, but it does look scary. And if you're looking at it.
You didn't know there was water right there? You would think that was a tornado.
A tornado, exactly, exactly. So that's why I was warned on. The warning only lasted about 15, 20 minutes. And, of course, great video and a lot of tales to tell right now. What could have been, but fortunately it wasn't much.
Great video and pictures from our viewers.
Yes. So. All right, Steve, thank you.